Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Honda Jazz clutch. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a reliable jack, sturdy jack stands, and a transmission jack for safety. Make sure you have a complete new clutch kit, which typically includes the pressure plate, clutch disc, and release bearing. Also, consider replacing the pilot bearing. Begin by disconnecting the car's battery and safely lifting the vehicle to a comfortable working height. Next, you'll need to drain the transmission fluid completely. This prevents spills and makes the removal process much cleaner. Then, carefully disconnect all electrical connectors and shift linkages attached to the transmission. Take your time to label them if needed. With everything detached, support the transmission with your transmission jack and begin unbolting it from the engine block. This step requires patience and often a bit of maneuvering. Now for the installation. Before putting in the new clutch, thoroughly clean the flywheel surface. Any grease or debris can affect clutch engagement. Install the new pilot bearing into the crankshaft, then carefully align the new clutch disc using an alignment tool. Once aligned, mount the new pressure plate, ensuring it's centered, and then torque all the bolts to the manufacturer's specified values. This ensures proper clamping force and smooth operation. Finally, carefully reinstall the transmission, making sure it aligns perfectly with the engine and the new clutch. Reconnect all electrical connectors, shift linkages, and refill the transmission with the correct type and amount of fluid. Double-check all your connections and bolts. Once everything is back together, lower the car and take it for a test drive to ensure smooth clutch engagement and gear changes. And hey, if you're looking to keep your car smelling fresh, check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.